welcome to Easy Fix. In this video I am going to show you how to adjust this cam. Before that we need to know what is cam backlash. So here this is what the cam. So when it moves this position, which will push this tap it, which will make that valve open. Okay, so here that particular valve will be connected with a high tension spring. Okay, so when it reaches this position here, that spring will be compressed. Okay, when it moves back here, it get released, which makes this cam to move a certain move. Okay, which makes some noise like this. Okay, so this is what the cam backlash due to this spring action. Okay, there is no need to worry about this remaining gears. So to clear this cam backlash, first we need to adjust this cam first, because that will be connected to this crank. Okay, so just unscrew this, then we need to rotate this one. Okay, so here it's freely moving. Don't over tight it, because which will make some pressure over here. Okay, don't over tight it, but here we cannot able to take it out. That much position we need to tight it. Now here it get tight, so this is what the position. Okay, we cannot able to take this one out. After that we can tight this. Okay, after that we need to go for this cam. Okay, we need to move this in this direction. Okay, so just unscrew it. So here it's freely moving. Now it's almost tight. Okay, there won't be any noise between these two. After that we can tight this lock nut. Okay, this is what the adjusting of cam spindle. Thanks for watching.